Google recently rolled out the March feature drop for Pixel devices, bringing several new features and improvements. Updates like this usually make Pixel phones better with added tools and enhancements. But this time, many users have noticed something unexpected. After installing the update, a key battery feature on Pixel phones seems to be causing extremely slow charging near the 80% battery limit. The update arrived for many Pixel models, including the Google Pixel 10 series and the Google Pixel 9 lineup, along with several older Pixel devices. While the update introduced new features, it also created frustration for users who rely on the battery health feature that limits charging. To understand the issue, we need to look at a feature Google introduced earlier. With the December 2024 feature drop, Google added an option that allows users to limit battery charging to 80%. The purpose of this feature is to help preserve battery health over time. Lithium batteries naturally wear down as they go through charging cycles. Charging all the way to 100% every time can increase long-term battery stress. By stopping at 80%, the phone reduces that stress and helps keep the battery healthy for longer. When the feature is turned on, the phone normally charges at regular speed until it reaches 80%. Once it hits that limit, charging stops automatically. Before the latest update, this feature worked smoothly. For example, if a phone was at 77%, it would usually take only around 5 to 6 minutes to reach the 80% limit. But after installing the March feature drop, many Pixel users started noticing a big difference. Instead of taking a few minutes to finish charging up to 80%, the final few percent are now taking a very long time. Some users say their phones take 30 minutes or even close to an hour just to move from about 77% to 80%. One user shared that phone took 47 minutes to charge from 77% to 80%. Previously, the same process only took around 6 minutes. Another user reported that their phone needed nearly 30 minutes to go from 78% to 80%. What makes this situation more interesting is that the issue is not limited to one specific Pixel model. Reports are coming from multiple devices, including newer and older generations. Because of this, it's very unlikely that the problem is related to hardware or chargers. In fact, one user specifically mentioned using the same 7-watt USB-A to USB-C charger before and after the update, yet the charging speed changed dramatically. This strongly suggests that the problem is caused by a software change introduced in the update. However, Google has responded to these reports, and the explanation surprised many users. According to a comment from a Google employee on the official issue tracker, the slow charging is not a bug. Instead, Google says the behavior is intentional. The explanation says that Pixel phones charge at normal speed until the battery reaches around 77%. After that point, the system intentionally lowers the charging current in order to slowly reach the 80% limit. The idea behind this is to further protect the battery and improve long-term battery health. Google also mentioned that it is currently working on optimizing the user experience of this feature. Even with that explanation, many Pixel users are still confused. If the feature was designed to protect battery health, people are wondering why it worked differently before the update. Previously, the final few percent charged quickly, and now it suddenly takes much longer. Most users would probably accept a small slowdown. For example, if the final 3% took around 10 to 12 minutes instead of 5 or 6 minutes, that might seem reasonable. But when it takes half an hour or even close to an hour, the experience starts to feel frustrating. Some people have suggested a simple workaround: just unplug the charger once the battery reaches around 77%. Since the remaining 3% would only add a small amount of extra battery life, it might not make much difference. Still, many users feel that a feature that worked well before should not suddenly become inconvenient. For now, there is only one real solution if the slow charging bothers you. You can simply disable the 80% charging limit feature in the settings. When you turn it off, the phone will charge normally all the way to 100%, and the slow charging near 80% will no longer happen. Of course, that means you lose the battery health protection that the feature was designed to provide. Since Google says it is working on improvements, there is hope that a future update will adjust the charging behavior and make it faster again. Until then, Pixel users will have to decide what matters more to them: protecting battery health with the 80% limit, or enjoying faster charging without it.